What if you could use a time machine to see into your business's future before you even build it? Today, we're using AI to fast forward 3 years ahead, uncover hidden opportunities, and make sure you're building something that actually works. Let's go. This is Jack Turk, the mad scientist of direct response copy, with today's digital lab experiment from the lair. Number 11, the AI business time machine. Or, oh my God, future you just sent back a warning. Here's the deal. Most marketers think too small and too short term. This experiment forces you to zoom out, think bigger, and engineer your marketing efforts with the future in mind. By using AI to project your business, offers, and marketing strategy 3 years into the future, you'll uncover blind spots, hidden opportunities, and strategic shifts that most people never consider. This is not about writing another email or tweaking a sales page or changing the headlines on your opt in. This is about seeing the entire chessboard and making sure today's moves set you up for massive wins down the road. Now, here's why this matters. Most businesses, yours truly, I'll be honest, operate in reactive mode, launching products, writing content, and running campaigns without fully considering how each move builds towards a bigger goal. Great marketers and great businesses think ahead. They ask the great question from Jeff Walker of Product Launch Formula: to what end? To what end are you launching this new offer? To what end does this content fit into your long-term growth? To what end will your business look like in 3 years if you execute this right? This experiment forces me to answer those questions because you waste times on things that don't move the needle. So let's see what equipment we're going to need. ChatGPT, of course. Well, we're kind of going to go for this for a while. Your current marketing plan, offer, or business idea, something you're working on now. So think about something that you're working on now. And the third thing you're going to need, this is important, your imagination and willingness to think big. Think bigger. If you can't see beyond next month, the next 6 months, you're already behind. So the experiment goes step by step. Step one, enter the time machine by taking an offer, a marketing plan, a business strategy you're working on right now. Maybe it's a coaching program. Maybe it's a book launch. I just launched a book. Maybe it's a lead generation funnel. Yeah, that could be. I just kind of did that too. Maybe it's your YouTube content strategy. And that's what I'm going to cover today. This is my experimentation with YouTube. So we're going to talk about that. What exactly is going on here? So imagine it's 3 years into the future and it's successfully executed. Insert your project. Looking back, tell me what major milestones. So I'm going to take this prompt, copy it, paste it into a new instance of ChatGPT, and imagine 3 years into the future, and I have successfully executed my killer marketing machines YouTube channel strategy. Let's describe it a little bit. I'm recording daily lab experiments that go into different aspects of the use of AI and automation with the goal of building an audience. Looking back, tell me, what major milestones did I achieve along the way? What strategic moves made the biggest impact? What did I stop doing that was holding me back? What unexpected opportunities or challenges arose, and how did I navigate them? What is my business like now because of this project's success? I'm also going to give it, I think, a little more detail. Here's my channel. www.youtube.com/@killer marketing machines. And my style is a blend of, let's just be honest, steampunk plus 1940s Bogart vibe. Well, I wish. And maybe even touch of self-deprecation, deprecating humor. Let's see what it gives me. Several key milestones and strategic decisions have shaped its success. Audience growth. Your channel subscriber count surpassed significant milestones, reflecting a growing and engaged community. Content recognition. Your unique blend of AI and automation insights presented with a steampunk and 1940s Bogart flair garnered attention from industry leaders and media outlets. Hey, enhancing my credibility. Monetization success. The channel's revenue streams diversified, including sponsorships, partnerships, and merchandise, leading to sustainable income. Well, I like the idea about merchandise. I can do with that. Strategic moves with the biggest impact. Now, this is what I need to do. Consistent content delivery, maintaining a daily upload schedule, establish reliability, keeping your audience engaged, returning for more. Community engagement, actively interacting with viewers through comments, live sessions, and feedback loops, fostered a loyal community and provided valuable insights for content improvement. Collaborations, partnering with other creators and experts, expanded your reach and introduced fresh perspectives to your content. Practices you discontinued, overproduction. Simplifying production processes without compromising quality reduced burnout and aligned for more authentic content, aligning with the approach of creators like Colin Furze, who maintain personal connections with their audience through relatable content. Chasing trends. Focusing on your niche expertise rather than following fleeting trends ensured content authenticity and attracted a dedicated audience. Unexpected opportunities and challenges. The rise in TV viewership of your YouTube content opened avenues for creating longer, higher quality videos suitable for larger screens, increasing ad revenue and audience engagement. Navigation, adapting content to suit TV by enhancing production quality and experimenting longer formats. Challenge, the increasing competition, AI and automation content space required continuing innovation to stand out. Navigation, differentiating your channel by integrating your unique steampunks and 1940s Bogart aesthetic combined with self-deprecating humor. Well, okay, I guess that's what I got. Provide a distinctive and memorable viewer experience. Today, your channel stands out as a reputable source for AI and automation insights, attracting a diverse audience. Okay. Your journey exemplifies. Not bad. I like all that. But now, let's kind of analyze this. So did it highlight big opportunity? I hadn't thought about TV, people watching this on TV. That's a pretty interesting notion. Reaching out for additional content partners, that's a good idea. So I'm going to take these, ask myself, and I'm going to go to this. All right. So I'm going to place those in. So how does AI highlight a bigger opportunity that I haven't yet considered? Let's take these one at a time. And I will ask these questions in a moment. Scalability without dependency on my direct involvement. So, okay, yeah, it can allow me to turn each experiment into an entire media ecosystem. Here's how I could do it. Automated content repurposing can be turned into multiple pieces of content with short blog posts, social videos, podcast episodes. Okay. Email newsletters. I'm already doing an email newsletter. I would suggest you sign up in the comments in the description. I'm sorry, I got that there. By the way, the link to this these instructions are in the description. AI-powered personalized content delivery. Yes, I'm working all this stuff. Monetization, business opportunity, model expansion, paid membership, self sell AI enhanced tools and frameworks, coaching and consulting, collaborations with guest content. I am working on all this stuff, but haven't seen it laid out so nicely. I think this is actually that was a good question. Do I like to roll map? Now I'm actually going to ask one of the other questions. What's missing? What's missing right now that could make my project even stronger? So I'm just going to ask that question. A signature framework. Okay. So I do have a framework in my manifesto, the 10 points of manifesto, but I think this is really good. Dan Kennedy had magnetic marketing. Perry Marshall had 80/20. ClickFunnels built funny hacking framework. The automation ladder. That's not bad. A scalable business model beyond YouTube. So I hope you're seeing this is valuable for me. Uh, but even if you're not doing this specific strategy, obviously you're not doing my strategy. Go ahead, welcome if you're not. But what you're seeing here is how it's making uh, connections to what I'm doing and giving me ideas that I can move forward with. Consistent thumbnails. I've got that kind of. But I could certainly make it better. Branded terms like the AI black box. I like that. Recognize. Of course, you're the rogue inventor, the AI detective. I have a few things like that, I suppose. Are you partying with the right people? Now that's a really good idea. Oh, a flagship event or challenge. All right. Because the key is you really want to build a movement. 7-day automation sprint. And one thing I recommend, which I'm doing with this, by the way, all these interactions I'm doing in these experiments, I'm keeping track of them. I'm saving them because there's lots of, will I do everything that AI recommends? Probably not, but I am going to I'm going to do a bunch of it because it's actually good. So finally, we're going to go to this one. Is there a lot that should be planned now? Oh, is our logical next step now instead of later? Those 3 questions are actually pretty good for you to rewrite on your own and add into the follow-up to the initial prompt. Set up a scalable back-end system. Build your killer marketing machine funnel, create a free lead magnet. I've got something like that. The killer AI. Build a simple lead capture page. Actually do have a lead capture page for my emails, which you go to killermarketingmachines.com/tails, which is actually in the description of this video. Automate the follow-up with AI sequences. Well, I need to get on that. I honestly don't have a sequence yet. So I'll just be honest. I'm really giving you inside baseball here a lot with these videos. You're seeing what I'm doing. I'm not trying to hide stuff. I'm not trying to pretend. I'm just I am what I am. So clear path to higher ticket offer. I think these are all good ideas. Stupid simple for people to go from free to low ticket to premium offer. Why this needs to happen now. If you start monetizing later, you waste valuable early traffic. This is a key lesson that all of us need to take and embrace. If you monetize now, even a small scale, you can reinvest in ads, etc. Most YouTubers fail because they only focus on views and not conversions. You're smarter than that. Well, thank you for the affirmation. ChatGPT is really good at affirming. So your media action plan, decide on lead magnet, landing page, email sequence, low ticket offer, automate everything. Doesn't have to be perfect, just functional. I like that a lot. Done is better than perfect. So take the lessons that I've learned lessons from this. Do this for your content, for your plan, for your product, etc. Try this, see what you learn. Innovate, automate, dominate.